for itself. If I tell the main that I did a PM on the unit, that's all need to be said. So that's there. And if I say quality of work means a lot though. So it might take me a little longer than others to do a PM. Because I like to do whatever that task can call for. Beyond which, I like to check pressures every time, because a lot of people say when you check pressures you lose a little bit. Okay, you ain't using that much, but they say you lose refrigerant every time you hook your gauges up, so we change to every quarter. But to me, if you check pressures though, every time you go out on the PM, you keep track. You know what I'm saying? So this say it's a 410 unit. This say my suction pressure like 110 on my suction side. Next cord I come is 100. Then the next cord I come is 90. Next cord 80. Hey, you need to be doing some leak checking. That's just keeping up with your pressures and whatnot. All right. Battery low. All right, this contact cleaner right here. Take this up real good. Okay, I got my power off on this contact cleaner. These for the contactors and your electrical board. Okay, when you clean this contact cleaner, I've seen people take all the screws out. That really take too long. All you got to do is get it up in there. It's going to get inside there and drip down there. That's all you got to do. And this stuff dries real fast also. Your capacitors on the PM. I mean, if you want to, if you're just doing one unit, but you got all these units with 4 capacitors on each, you don't have to check the microfarad on each one of these units. I mean, that's just gonna have to come on the troubleshooting call or something like that. But I say I'm gonna crank it up, make sure I'm a fan running, and check the amps on them. Yeah. That's how but I'm not gonna go through every one of them and check the microfarads on them. It'll take way too long. And I don't think the task can call for that anyway. All right. Put this one back on. Well, just check the amps. Like I say, this is a quarter PM. The next customer I go to, and I have an annual PM. I'll show you what all we check on everything. Alright. The task is not calling for me to check these heaters. It's January. We usually check the heater before the winter season. So I think in November they're supposed to check the heaters or whatnot. This is more like a spring PM. It's about ambient temperature, maybe about 65 today. So I doubt if it's calling for cool. I don't like how that contact's sitting right there. So I got, how many compressors I got on here? 3 stages of cool. So to make this easier, alright, to jump these out, you go from red to your fan, and then you got Y1, Y2. So I guess maybe I see what my 3rd stage has control. Like smoke detector. Probably 2 and 3 or something put together. So show you a way you can just strip these out though. So I keep a bunch of jumpers on me though. I got about 5 more of these in my bag. Your wire nut. I'm about to say, you never twist all your thing together. Let the wire nut do the work. Then you probably want to get you some electrical tape and tape it up. I'm gonna jump these out. I say, remember when you jump out, always turn your fan on first, your blower motor. Or you can go downstairs, but like I say, you see I'm on the roof, so you can go downstairs to the thermostat and call for it, but you got too many units to do that, so sometimes you have to jump them out. Motor. I'm hook both stages of my cooling up. And sometimes you can do this. I mean, you got to be careful though, because you can be right by this thing, and it can be grounded or something, and it'll scare you. There's something pop or something like that. So them all my stages right there though. How many stages it is? 3? Oh, okay. That blower kicked on right there. So I'll let that run for a while though, and check my Delta T. Make sure all my fans running. All 4 fans running. Remember I said, as far as the capacitor go, I don't need me checking my capacitor if all 4 of my fans going. You know, that'll just be a service call between now and next quarter if one of them go out. And we just, you know, you have to charge the customer to change the capacitor out. But this contract right here, everything is covered though. So if we have to replace that capacitor, it'll be on us. We have to pay for it. But everything sounds good. I'm gonna check the amps on the compressor. .5. 9.5. 9.6. 9.9. See what we rated for. 12.12. I mean 12.2. So we good on that. I don't like how that blower sound. Might have to grease those bearings or something. Condenser coil look good. Like I said, I want to check a delta T.